So what is SSH? SSH, or Secure Shell, is a protocol that allows you to securely access and communicate with remote servers. By using SSH key with Git platforms like GitHub and GitLab, you establish a secure channel, ensuring your code transfers are both private and protected. So first things first, let's open a terminal or a command prompt. This will be our primary tool to create SSH keys. So check if you have SSH installed in your PC. If so, type echo user profile between 2% signs to know where is the default location for your keys. Now to generate a new key, type SSH-keygen followed by some flags, and now on the screen, and replace your comment with something meaningful to you. And the -t ed25519, this is an encryption algorithm, and the -c will give your key a label, so make it easily identifiable. Now press enter to accept the default location for your key. This ensures your SSH is stored in a standard directory, making it easy accessible. With your key generated, it's time to add it to your Git platform, and we are using here GitHub as an example. So navigate to in your GitHub account, go to setting, then find the SSH and GPG key under the access section in the left panel. Click the green new SSH key button. And here paste the public key we have just generated. And that's it. Now you have successfully created SSH key and added to your Git platform. And this not only enhances your workflow security, but also make it more efficient. So you don't need to provide your password every time you want to push a commit to GitHub.